Scon Design is a leading provider of detail engineering survey services in Saket, Delhi. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, we offer comprehensive surveying solutions for a wide range of engineering projects. Our detail engineering survey services in Saket are designed to ensure accuracy, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness in the planning and execution of construction projects. At Scon Design, we understand the importance of conducting detailed surveys before commencing any engineering project. Our team of surveyors utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and advanced software to accurately measure and map the existing site conditions. This helps us in creating precise and detailed engineering drawings, which serve as the foundation for successful project execution. Our detail engineering survey services in Saket encompass a wide range of activities. We conduct topographic surveys to identify and map the natural and man-made features of a site. This includes contour lines, elevation points, water bodies, vegetation, and buildings. We also perform boundary surveys to establish property lines and boundaries, ensuring compliance with legal requirements and avoiding any encroachments. In addition to topographic and boundary surveys, our detail engineering survey services in Saket also include utility mapping. We employ advanced techniques such as ground-penetrating radar and electromagnetic detection to accurately locate underground utilities such as water pipes, gas lines, electrical cables, and telecommunications networks. This helps in preventing accidents during construction and ensures the efficient planning and management of utility networks. One of the key benefits of our detail engineering survey services in Saket is our ability to provide 3D modeling and visualization. Using advanced software such as AutoCAD and Revit, we create detailed 3D models of the site, allowing engineers, architects, and project managers to visualize the project before it is built. This helps in identifying any design issues or clashes early on, saving time and costs during construction. At Scon Design, we are committed to delivering high-quality detail engineering survey services in Saket. Our team of professionals undergoes regular training and stays updated with the latest advancements in surveying technology. We adhere to strict quality control measures to ensure accurate and reliable results for our clients. In conclusion, Scon Design is a trusted provider of detail engineering survey services in Saket, Delhi. Our comprehensive range of surveying solutions includes topographic surveys, boundary surveys, utility mapping, and 3D modeling. With our expertise and advanced technology, we help our clients in planning and executing successful construction projects. Contact us today to discuss your surveying needs. Scon Design is a leading engineering firm based in Delhi that specializes in providing detail engineering survey services in the Saket area. With their expertise and experience, Scon Design has become a trusted name in the industry, offering comprehensive and accurate survey services to clients in Saket and beyond. Detail engineering survey services are crucial in the construction and development industry as they provide accurate measurements, data, and analysis of a site or project. These surveys are conducted to gather information about the existing conditions of the land,